One of the bills recently signed into law by Governor Newsom was sponsored by Riverside County District Attorney Mike Hestrin. Beginning next year, anyone convicted of drug-related offenses will need to complete a treatment or education program. I spoke today with Hestrin about what he hopes this new law will accomplish. Mike, tell us about this bill you sponsored that has now been signed into law.
Yeah, so this is SB 46, and it was introduced by Senator Richard Roth from Riverside. And this is a bill that is very necessary, and it's going to help us fight the fentanyl epidemic. And it mandates that people convicted of a controlled substance violation will be mandated to take educational classes, rehabilitation classes that involve educational components. So they would have to learn the dangers of fentanyl specifically.
Are you hopeful this will make a difference?
I hope it does. I really do. I mean, we're overwhelmed and we're getting crushed by the fentanyl epidemic. The number of deaths, the number of people that are injured every year by this terrible drug, it just keeps going up, and it's going up exponentially. I think that one of the problems with this drug is that it is so lethal at such small quantities and doses that we really need. There's a strong educational component. I know you know that I believe that there is a prosecutorial component and enforcement component for sure, but to the average casual user, many people don't know they're necessarily getting fentanyl, or they don't know how dangerous fentanyl is. Maybe they've heard that it's strong. Maybe they've got a general idea. We need people to have a specific idea, a specific sense of just how dangerous this drug is.
Do you think that this is a sign California is really starting to crack down on fentanyl?
I think it's a sign that the leaders in our state are beginning to understand the magnitude of the crisis that we're facing. I think that there's still a lot of, I believe, misguided rhetoric coming from Sacramento about, oh, this is just the drug war reincarnated. We're going back to the 80s and 90s. And that's just not true. Fentanyl changed everything. And, look, prosecutors around the state, what we really want is people to get the help they need. So yes, I mean, we'll do anything to stop these deaths. And part of that is we need a multifaceted approach. We need a public education campaign, which we're engaging in. There's of course, the prosecutorial component. There's reaching out to youth in schools, but this is also an important component. The population of individuals who are using illegal drugs on the street, they are the most at risk. They're already drug users. Many of them are addicts. They need to understand the risks that they're facing on the street.
And I understand this goes into effect on January 1st. Anything else, Mike, that you would like to say about this bill before we let you go?
No, I'm just grateful to Senator Roth for his tremendous leadership on this bill, and I'm grateful to the governor for signing it.
All right, Mike, we appreciate your time. Thanks for joining us.